ukhulumelani nomuntu owahlukana naye yethu kunomuntu othandana naye
Sure.
or in the picture ukudelela lokho
Yo.
ifana nalento ukuthi uthandana nomuntu abacompare neex yakhe why ngekho together, why are you with me at the first place?
Ifana nalento mango yokuthi ke uthole efonini yomuntu wakho ukuthi kusanama picture wakhe neex yakhe.
Abanye bashoot ama sex tape ama ex-up umuntu ayigcine efonini sex tape
Yo.
kodwa abathandana nomunye lo athandana I found out
Yo.
ukuthi kune sex tape ye ex
Yo.
yet put let me check
Ngenzani nina makhaya? Ngenzani nina? Ngenzani nina?
zifunani ithombe ze ex yakhe efonini yethu nendoda unomfazi shothi wena uyamkhumbula futhi usamfundi
Guess athini lo mama lo? Do you know ukuthi nibe nomntwana nomuntu bengamthandi simply because of bengipunisha i-ex yami?
but kunamajida anikezwe isisu ekungasone sabo
Yo.
ngendaba ukuthi ama financial muscles akhe makhulu
Yo.
lo obaba weqiniso wa rejectwa ngendaba yokuthi akanayo imali.
So meaning to say abantu besifazana baqabangela ingane sebalale nomuntu not before balala
naye ave kubhlungu kwenziwe isipewile othandweni.
Yo. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. As always bafethu, I'm not alone. Nginomfethu lana ubhuti wami uSibuda the Buddhas. Mango, right put.
Hayi no ngiyaphila put right wena.
Ngi right ndoda.
Ngiyabona usuyayimastera lento ukukhuluma nabo. Welcome to vela ayivule ungakayivuli. It doesn't. It is a culture. For sure the things oyivula people will be like oh you boss.
That's going on.
Yeah, but sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Welcome back bafethu mabunda ukrent.
Right put right wena.
No ngimnandi mfethu. It's always good to be here.
It's always good.
Yeah, so refreshing.
So refreshing.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this week we are only shooting one episode,
yeah.
which is this episode.
Sure.
And that's because of Sasa Eastern Cape. And we had a great time there.
Sure.
Skape ubaba wethu lapha ya.
Upete, yeah. Anointa.
Ngijoyela upete. Tatu pete.
I think it's the language tatu, but must I say translate as it baba because in Xhosa it says tata. Yeah. So this is Eastern Cape lapayana. We traveled. I think it was 8 hours in, 8 hours out. Yeah. So like ibesikhathele bafowethu. Yeah. But as we said now, we tried to show up and shoot this episode. At least kuphume something, yabo. Because I've seen even lapha na kwa YouTube our family it's growing. Yabona siya ku 10K.
Body.
Yeah, ngiqhubeke nipresse lapho 10,000. Yeah, so dlinyama mhlawumbe soyidlala nje
mashawutela nabo.
Yeah.
But I had someone lapha mangicheka ama comment because siyawafunda ama comment. Someone was like, "Yo, what a powerful episode."
Which one?
Last sikhuluma khona nge social media and its impact.
Oh, the recent.
Yeah, the recent one. Ngezwa put kuthiwa ke we need part 2. We need part. I'm like, "Welele."
Hayibo, angawacheka.
Serious man. Part 2. They want part 2. Yabona. But unfortunately, angeke sishaye namhlanje.
Yeah, maybe on the next week.
Next week or some other time we're gonna do a part 2 because kuningi man that we need to expand from that particular topic the social media. But today there is a topic engifuna sokhuluma ngayo. Inspiration yakona comes from the story that I read. I think that's now on our way to, I don't know whether we were going or we're coming back. A very painful story of a man that paid a huge amount of lobola while planning to get married. And then later on this particular man found out ukuthi ke umfazi wakhe claimed ukuthi khona la yakhona makafika le kwaba ne accident washona lo mfazi washona nale out bekanayo only to find out the out ex
Yo.
yabona
I-ex and also is a baby
daddy.
Yeah. Unomntana naye.
Yeah. Now, this gave birth to the topic that I want us to talk about today. To say, we're not gonna dwell here, but we're gonna be varying and seeing where it leads us. A real talk, Muslim.
Sure.
Can I start by a question? Ngibuza wena a question. To say, Poti, how would you feel if by mistake you found out ukuthi maybe kunomuntu othandana naye and lo muntu othandana naye umthole in communication ne-ex yakhe and not only in communication babizane kwangathi basathandana and about you go through the conversation yabo you find out ukuthi ke these two people lo owakho uyazi ukuthi lo unomuntu namna siyaqala don't breathe in man ngangituzi or should we change the topic?
No.
Then you find out ukuthi ke let's say by mistake uphathe phone then you find ama-chats bayakhuluma
babizana ngobe
babizana ngohano la yet uthandana nawo and number 2 lo mjida lo uyazi ukuthi wena ukhona ene naye lo muntu wakho uyazi ukuthi lo muntu wakhe unomuntu but they are still in communication. It's like a situation whereby this one says in fact I'm sorry to use this word they are flirting but the both of them they are no longer together unaye umuntu wakhe nawo nomuntu wakhe lo angazi if it makes sense but a conversation yabo it acts as though they are still in a relationship. Then this comes to the topic lengifuna sikhuluma ngayo to say is there any unnecessary ukuthi umuntu abe in communication nomuntu owahlukana naye?
First of all, Mr. Mabunda sir.
Yes sir.
Let me just ngizilule. Yeah, because I hear goosebumps. No chief man impethu ngizwa ngishaya uvalo masikhuluma ngalento. You know why ngishaya uvalo? It's because I know how women they're gonna be so defensive about this thing.
Sure.
Unfortunately, but we are living in a country, and I do understand why abantu besifazane ba spoiled ngalendlela.
Sure.
It's because of government and the world it's standing with them.
Sure.
Unfortunately, women abakulesi sikhathi abafuna ukwamkela ukukhuzwa when something is wrong.
Sure.
You understand? Unfortunately, this is the time that we are in.
Sure.
The reason why ngishaya uvalo it's because of there are so many things I wanna dish here and pack here.
Sure.
But I'm glad uNkulunkulu has made me to develop a thick skin.
Sure.
That is why but this thing real talk is inkulu lento.
Sure.
That is why here we are still building and it's gonna yakhula vele.
Sure.
Mabunda, there's no way mfana kithi mina ngizokutshela iqiniso. Awukwazi ukuthi uthandana nomuntu osukuthandana naye.
Sure.
Bese uba ne communication ne ex. Ukhulumelani nomuntu owahlukana naye. Yet kunomuntu othandana naye.
Sure.
Or in the picture. Ukudelela lokho.
Yeah.
That is why but mina I still stand with you.
Sure.
If you love someone you will protect that person.
Sure.
If you love someone uyayazi into wrong.
Sure.
Ukuthi lo othandana naye angeke izimphathe kahle. Ukhulumelani nomuntu ongasathandani naye. Yet ni flirt. Ukungidelela. Ifana nalento ukuthi uthandana nomuntu abacompare ne-ex yakhe. Why ngekho together? Why are you with me at the first place?
Yeah.
Yes, omunye usengasho no but isibu sinomntwana naye nani bakhona abazali abangakhuluma naye. Why wena nizokwazi ukukhuluma?
Sure.
Because but here's the truth mfethu. Lo muntu uyakwazi ungcono.
Sure.
Lo muntu mfethu nike nalala naye.
Sure.
Yini into ezokwenza ukuthi senihlukene niphinde ningalali?
Yo.
But uma isizulu sithi la kwama khona amanzi aphinde eme futhi, it's not a pap and flakes.
So which means ke bhuti, the minute ubiza umuntu ex yakho, you cut off communication, you cut off friendship.
Ayikho into ekose isihlanganise.
So ifana nalento mang yokuthi ke uthole efonini yomuntu wakho ukuthi kusana ama picture wakhe ne ex yakhe.
Isengicokene sigcoba ngathi ngaphumula.
Hayi, no, but cause I'm saying le generation esiphila kiyo ne. We are that, I'm sorry to say this thing, but we are that generation engasa understand how deep are certain things. To our generation, sex has become a casual thing. Ingakho uthola abantu abawu2 abangekho ku relationship but they have sex.
Yeah.
More especially uthola ukuthi labantu labake bashada bahlukana. But still noma sebahlukene, everyone has moved on, but they still badibane benze lento kungakosanga yenze.
Okay. Let me unpack this thing, but as much as it painful as it is.
Sure.
Zifunani ithombe ze ex yakho ubunendoda onayo, ubunomfazi onayo. Okusho ukuthi wena usamkhumbula lo muntu.
Yo.
But let's describe what are photos.
Sure.
Photos are memories. Okusho unami wena usesenama memory alobo thandana na izolo.
Yo.
As much as it is painful, but I'm unpacking this thing.
Sure.
Zifunani ithombe ze ex yakhe fonini yethu nendoda unomfazi.
Sure.
Shuthi wena uyamkhumbula futhi usamfuna, because but ungizwe kahle mfethu.
Sure.
If uhlukene nomuntu udelete kwasani, udelete kwayithombe,
Sure.
umdelete nasengcondweni. Mina let me tell you something.
Sure.
Yeah, that's why ngithi yeah vele ngiyashaya mangidubula kwasani.
I knew it, nginyathela emsileni.
Unyathela emsileni.
Sure.
But
Sure.
let me tell you something.
Yes sir.
Once wahlukana nomuntu completely,
Sure.
waphuma ku system,
Sure.
waphuma engcondweni,
Sure.
lo muntu ube asanormal asuka fana nabo bonke abantu. But uma ngabe usagcina into zakho umuntu uhlukene naye, it tells ukuthi awuka move on. Usableedela kulo osukuthandana naye.
Sure.
I repeat this thing Mabunda again. Awukwazi ukungena komunye umnyango ungawuvalanga umnyango.
Sure.
Kunabantu abalimazi because Mabunda ungizwe kahle. Njengoba ngithandana nawe,
Sure.
lo muntu osuka athandana nawe.
Sure.
Unaye ngendaba yokuthi uyamthanda futhi ufuna ukuphila naye.
Sure.
Why ke ugcina omunye lo bohlukene naye? I don't know ngibeka kahle. Lo bohlukene akulimazile yethi mina ngisho ukuthi wena ungenza ibhandishi. The day uphola
Sure.
uyolikhumula ibhandishi ulahle.
Yo.
So umuntu osuka connected ne ex yakhe ethandana na ukwenza ibhandishi.
Yo.
Uithombe
Yo.
And I'm sorry to say this.
Say it, but
it's real talk, man.
it's a real talk.
I believe.
Sure.
Yeah, you uzongena. I believe but kunabanye
Sure.
abagcinanga ithombe kuphela.
Sure.
I discovered abanye bashoot ama sex tape, ama ex-up, umuntu ayigcine efonini sex tape.
Yo.
Kodwa abathandana nomunye. Lo athandana I found out.
Yo.
Ukuthi kune sex tape ye ex.
Yo.
Yet but let me tell you.
Ngenzani nemakhaya? Ngenzani nina? Ngenzani? Hey mama.
And let me tell you something.
Sure.
Omunye ke uyazwenzana.
Sure.
Uhlukene ne ex yakhe.
Sure.
Usathandana nawe.
Sure.
Uyalazi igama le ex yakhe.
Sure.
Because obvious uma nizocala ukuthandana uyambuza indoda obothandana no uyabothandana nobani kwenzakalani.
Sure.
Igama lakhe akutshela ukuthi
Sure.
ubani. Njoba asazi ukuthi usuyalazi igama lakhe.
Sure.
Mhlawumbe igama lakhe nguSiphamandla.
Sure.
Mhlawumbe igama lakhe nguGugu.
Sure.
Inamba yakhe ayishintshe.
Yeah.
Ambize ngoSiphe kube kunguGugu. Ambize ngoSibu kodwa azikahle ukuthi usiphamandla.
Sure.
Ngisho ukuthini abanye bagcina inamba zama ex abo ebasathandana nawe. Yo, buti awukwazi ukuthi sosokhenana uhalela inyama zikaFaro. uFaro ucosheleni.
Yo,
ucosheleni uFaro.
yo.
And no,
Nesicelo, viewers at home, I have a request.
Sure.
And I have a request go just for this particular episode. I'll explain.
Why?
This is my request.
Sure.
Can I interview you today?
yeah.
Because meaning to say I'm gonna add where I'm supposed to add, but there are questions that I would want you to ask and expand, because of we know when it comes to our relationship,
Sure.
you know how to get deeper and break things into details.
So,
that's your platform, so and I want us to give people something that is rich, because umoya hey sengivusingelosi yothando sengivusingelosi. So allow me to be as if it's an interview, though it's not an interview.
But I'm glad we're gonna add
where I can.
Okay,
it's fine.
Sure.
Let's continue, Puti. Ngicela ukubuza, Puti. I'm asking on behalf of guys.
Sure.
I'm asking on behalf of both ladies and men to say, is it necessary or is it a must to make sure ukuthi uma uhlukana nomuntu njengoba usho you spoke about pictures being deleted, does this also includes the gift that particular person bought?
Yeah, okay.
to say you're in a relationship with spare bekunezinto lezibekakuthengela zona manje you're in a relationship noSbu. Does this mean that every gift that uSpay wake wayithenga I need to make sure that I separate nayo? If him keeper lezwa ngithengela zona ngiyashisa or anything that was bought by him because of I'm no longer in a relationship with you, njengoba usho ukuthi there is no way ungagcina inyama zikaFaro else manje usekana.
But I deep lento oyikhulumayo.
Sure.
Yabo, I deep lento oyikhulumayo.
You're shaking, man. I can't want to shake and
I told you, man.
No, Chief Yakala. This is my first time seeing you shaking live like this.
Yeah,
no, bro. No, Puti, man.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, Puti.
Hey.
Number one.
Yes, sir.
I gifted something that will forever remind you a person.
Sure.
Ogawathandana naye.
Sure.
So angisiboni isizathu sokugcina ama gift.
Sure.
Womuntu wakulimaza
Sure.
nahlukana nalowo muntu.
Sure.
Moto, because I'm stuck with le moto nezindlu. Leyo mfethu ungazigcina for the sake of kids.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Mhlambe ke
So exception.
Yeah.
We are differentiate.
That's why of gift.
Sure.
Kuyafana nokuthi mhlambe umyeni wakhe akuthengela indlu wathengela nabantwana.
Sure.
Unless leyo ndlu idayise uyothenga enye, because it contains memories. As long as abantwana they will live. Yabona Puti leyo ukuthi mfethu uzogcina izinto umuntu akuthengela zona esenihlukene naye.
Sure.
It portrays a certain thing. Because number one, lo muntu ukushiya namaskazi, ukushiya nokulimala. So anything that has to do naloyo muntu, leyo nto kufuna leyo muntu ayisuse. You understand?
I hear you.
I'm sorry, can I speak?
You can, man. This is real talk. This is real talk.
But ngeke sifake this one engizoyisho on
ungasayisho. No. Ungasayisho. Yeah, don't say it. Don't say it. Man, you've just cooked.
Okay, what's your point?
Just cooked. No. If I don't know what is it that you want to say.
But it's reality.
Sure. I know.
Yeah,
Unless
uyangazwe.
I know you that you can become as blend as you don't cut corners.
Yeah.
But I don't want us to end up sisithole sesikhathi episode. Yeah, but
No,
we've just cooked.
besingeke sikhathi ibo on social TikTok nani.
Sure.
Even naku trailer ingangeni. Bayithole laba bazoyithola khona.
Okay.
Yeah.
If that's the case. As long as
okay, but ngizozama ukuyihloniphisisa.
Ihloniphisisa.
Bhuti.
Yes sir.
Uthandane nomuntu osukuthandana naye umuntu wakho.
Sure.
I-ex yakhe yamthengela maybe mhlambe ngowe Valentine.
Sure.
Wamthengela impahla zangaphansi.
Oh, okay.
Yangizwisisa.
Yeah.
Lezo impahla zangaphansi sekathandana nawe manje.
Sure.
Ayigcine le impahla zangaphansi. Zikhunyulwe nguwe.
Yo.
No ngifuna picture yourself on that. How's that pain?
Man. No man, akushiso kasana. No chief, akushiso kasana. Anything, come on, bro.
Yeah,
how will I stand knowing to say, man? No, it doesn't portray a good picture because we have a crisis in our generation, man, of abantu abangasahloniphi imishado abakiyo, abantu abangasahloniphi ama relationship abakiyo.
Yeah.
And uthola ukuthi ke lo muntu lo noma ethandana nawe, they keep on making references to their ex. Usibani bekangangenzi so. Usibani bekenza so, bekenza. Why are you not going back to that particular person? Because we have people that moved on while they were not prepared or ready to move on. Uthola ukuthi umuntu, what happened is they got hurt and because of the season labe bangazani khona I move on. And guess what, this has also led to producing unwanted children. I met the lady put uthi kimi lo wesifazana man, uthi kimi, you know Mabunda, I'm stuck here and the reason I'm stuck here it's because of, I'll be honest with you.
Sure.
Ngambuza yini? Uthi kimi Mabunda, I hate my baby daddy with all that I have.
Yo.
Hey, Mbuzi, you hate your baby daddy with all you have. Why?
Nomntwana.
And she's like, nginomntwana nalo muntu but angimthandi. Awumthandi? What do you mean awumthandi? And la ngishaya khona was angikaze amthanda at all.
Baze babe nomntwana.
Kuze kube nomntwana but nomuntu ongamthandi. Maybe I thought maybe no, it's a situation where umuntu maybe ulale nomuntu because of maybe a struggle nani or finances, you never know. I put guess athini lo mama lo. Do you know ukuthi ngibe nomntwana nomuntu bengamthandi simply because of bengipunisha i-ex yami. I was in a relationship with someone wangizisa ubuhlungu. Then I decided out of anger to say I'm going to koma this guy. And mase ngimqomile this particular guy and kudala angishela ngamvumi. But because of the fact ukuthi ngikwatile ngayomqoma, I don't love this guy.
It's a revenge.
We had sex. Unfortunately, kwaba nomntwana. Now, mangibheka lo mntwana ngizonda nobabakhe. In reality, I'm still in love with my ex. And unfortunately, i-ex ithe mayithola ukuthi ngi-pregnant. And wabona, no, it can't be his. But the challenge now, I'm stuck with a child that I do not love and also with a guy who is permanent in my life as a baby daddy, but angimthandi. The reality is I was angry. That lento le ingibuza ekutheni, how many people out of anger they end up sleeping with people that they don't love, they end up doing things that they're not supposed to do simply because of you're trying to punish someone. Hence puti kunabantu abacommunicate nama ex hayi ngoba bebafuna ukucommunicate nabo. You moved on, kuba nama challenges manje in this particular relationship, but then that does not give you allowance to go back to someone.
Eput.
Yes sir.
Ave kubhlungu kwenziwa isipewile othandweni.
Yo.
Isipewile kanjani?
Yo.
umuntu uyazazi ukuthi la ebuya khona
sure
bekamthanda lo umuntu
sure
but sekathandana nawe egameni lokuthi ufuna umpholise for a while but lapho lesikhathi kunenhliziyo yomuntu ephukayo
yo
kunama abilities lo muntu awenzayo ama investment
sure
kanti uwenza kumuntu okwenza isibewili I believe but ukuthi ama break up amaningi
sure
abantu abalimala kakhulu ngabantu abenziwe ama spare wheel othandweni kahle but let me define what is a spare wheel.
Sure.
A spare wheel is it's a wheel isondo
sure
elingafani namasondo emoto original
sure
but lifakwa temporarily
sure
ukuthi mhlazana lelinye liba right liyakhishwa bese kufaka the original
sure
but it's so painful this thing and iyona that eyenze ama break up amaningi
sure
because I believe but mina ungizokahle mfethu
sure
bonke abantu esithandane nabo
sure
babuyela kuma ex abo shot lo muntu bayakwenza isipare wheel
yo
okay, as much as cheating is painful, I understand when someone engichithela nomuntu angakaze athandana naye than ungchithele neex. Shot at the first place awukazi wangithanda. Wangenza substitute.
yo
That's the real talk.
yo
Asindlule lapho but.
sure
Ungazi ne point of English na. Okay,
you know,
before
the point yo man come on behamba. Do you know ukuthi lento lena but speaking about le yama ex I wanted to say this thing. Okay, let me release this thing then siyahamba.
Sure.
This is dedicated to guys out there.
Sure.
Perfect. My brothers, this comes from the bottom of my heart. Brotherly advice.
Sure.
If you can propose to a lady, whether for a marriage or for a relationship, for years, akuvalela. The day avuma, ngiyeke loyo muntu. Don't agree.
Njani mabu?
Ngoba puti kunabantu abangakuthandi. And umbona lo muntu engena kuma relationship ephuma ukhona wena and uloku uyamshela.
Sure.
Guess what? Uza kuwe ngenxa yokuthi laba abanye sebamhlulile akakuthandi. You are just an option that is available.
Yo.
Same applies to women. Women, if you want to die, if you want to die young and you want to struggle and go to a mental institution, umchita akakupropose for years, umshayisana, umvalele, uthi no kuyi, bese uyamqoma and avume, you will pay for those years. You will pay. For those days la khona bekaloku akupropose on umvalelo akupropose umvalela. Believe me, you're not gonna have peace. Though abanye they do get that opportunity, not everyone, we cannot generalize it, but most of abantu abasifazana they are crying tears today. Mawuthi cheka yilo mjita lo bombukela phansi ungamfuni umqome.
Yo but
After akushele iminyaka you will cry.
Yazi futhi lento oyishoyo ishaya abantu besifazane kakhulu.
Sure.
Abantu besifazane baqome la kose bale khona.
Hey.
Bavuma la kose bale khona.
Hey.
I don't know yenza sense especially mina ngizwe kahle
Sure.
but mina ngiyaba blame abantu besifazane at some point.
Sure.
Because umuntu wesifazane, that is why kulula ukuthi umuntu wesifazane
Sure.
ukuthi abe single. Kahle umuntu wesifazane is single by choice.
Sure.
Indoda iyona that is searching.
Sure.
Because why am I saying umuntu wesifazane uyena okhethayo.
Okhetha and uyena ovuma.
Yeah, ukuthi ngiyavuma.
Opens the gate.
Awuzweke.
Yes and no.
Awuzweke.
Sure.
So that is why ngithi mina abantu besifazane ikamero elibashayile ile lokuthi bala la kose bavume khona. Bavuma la kose bale khona.
Sure.
Thothi manje umjidi uyambona ukuthi no ulungile ugrand nanani but kube khona izinto somewhat ayilezi yangibhora kanti lo mjidi uyipotential. Lo munye unayo yonke lento kanti isigebengu esizomgila kusasa.
Yo.
That's why mina ngiyaba blame abantu besifazane but at some particular point. But kunala kungifuna sekhona as much as this one is sensitive. I don't know scoop la. Yeah.
Yoze kulunge bazalwane. Now we're still here. We're still
Okay.
here, Chief. We're still here.
Mabunda, this one, as much as ngakundanga ngicela ukhumulele isigcoko. It's fine. Yeah. Ngizophinde ngisibuyisele inzima le ufuna sihloniphe masikhuluma ngale. Mabunda.
Sure.
Kunamajida.
Sure.
Let me start by saying this.
Yes, sir.
Kunabantu besifazana abazinyoka.
Yay.
Hayi bonke. But kunamajida anikezwe isisu ekungasone sabo.
Yo.
Ngendaba ukuthi ama financial muscles akhe makhulu.
Yo.
Lo obaba weqiniso wa rejectwa ngendaba yokuthi akanayo imali. Many women are doing that. I'm being for real.
So meaning to say abantu besifazana baqabangela ingane sebalale nomuntu not before balala
naye.
Before ulala nalomuntu you notice ukuthi akekho grand financially. You notice ukuthi usanqenga. But you chose to do it anyway. Now that this guy that is not well financially made you to be pregnant, you now take it to someone that is financially stable. Crazy, man.
That is why put the agents namhlanje bayakhala basebuhlungwini. Ambona umfowabo urumfumbezi enikezwa ijazi.
Sure.
But deep down you know that's my kid.
Yo.
But because of your temporary situation of finance, yena angamnikezi lo mntwana I decide ukuthi ayokhuliswa enye indoda.
Yo.
But kunabantu besifazane abafihla iqiniso ngenxa yesikhwama.
Sure.
Yet umntwana mayekhula kusasa uzomdinga ubaba wakhe.
Yo.
I'm being for real but sikulencaki eski ulala njani namadoda amabili uwedwa. No, but help me, sir. Help me. Now Mabunda abambi start.
I'm confused.
No. That's the crisis that we are in. No mehleli eyedwa Mabunda. Lo wesifazana uyalazi iqiniso ngaphakathi. Liyamudla.
Yabona mangule. Now I understand uJesu wathi kwakungenjena from iqaleni. In as much now you understand why uThixo wathi sex before marriage is a sin.
Sure.
Cause at the end of the day, Puti, let's be honest.
Sure.
Lento le ngabe mara yafana man. I think bakhona abantu abasemshadweni abakhulisa ingane kungezona ezabo. I thought maybe I was gonna say that at least when the two they are virgins bangena bashada. But still I'm discovering in my mind, I'm thinking there are guys that are married but uthola ukuthi ke bakhulisa abantwana emshadweni ekungebona ababa for some reason. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Like our generation just needs God, man. We truly need God. We truly need help because of how do you live, breathe, move, stay. You know, wakamkhize lo mntwana.
Akayena kwamakhagulo.
Ene nekhala iyasho. Now mchita uyabona le akuyona la emzini.
But uplan uthando.
But uplan uthando uyabona. Yellow bone le.
And we are both
mina ngiphingisiplela like ivelaphi le yellow bone.
But abanyazi what did I say? But no, ufuza umkhulu ozala umkhulu nomkhulu. Yeah. Na ithiwa beka yellow bone.
Mara le khanda leli. Hayi le khanda.
Yeah. But here's the truth mfethu. As besishilo. Sizoxoxa ngelinye ilanga le.
Sure.
Ngicela ngibambe ngicocco Mabundi.
Ngoba soyidedelile le.
Yeah, besihlonipha iSouth Africa. Nali iqiniso mfethu Mabunda.
Sure.
As much as I'm harsh man.
Sure.
I'm harsh. Umuntu okuthanda uyakwazi ukuthi akwenze.
Yeah.
That's the honest truth.
Yeah.
Mina I discovered ukuthi umuntu uma umthanda uzomprotecta by all means ukuthi angalimali. Kunezinto bhuti esingakosanga sikhuzane kizo. Siyazazi ukuthi vele ziyingozi. You understand? Siyazazi nje ukuthi ingozi ingakho sibadala. Sinamazinyo awu32 manje batha u32 amazinyo mabasho odokotela. Sinengqondo, sineyintshebe, kunabantu besifazane. Some of the things akosanga sikhuzane senzeni uyakwazi ukosukwenza. There's no way but ukuthi ungagcina ithombe ugcine in nibe ne communication nomuntu owazi kahle ukuthi akasekho in the picture. Let me say this thing but sake sayikhuluma lento ngelinye lamalanga. I think I don't know but on real talk ave kuyingozi ukuthandana nomuntu ongayenzanga ifuneral enhlizweni yakhe yokungcwaba ama ex. Akunamathuna, akunabhokisi. Uthandana nawe akambulalanga, akayibulalanga ex enhlizweni. Niphila nobabili enhlizweni naloyo muntu. That is why usuthola ithombe, usuthola amabunda ukuthi basakhuluma basabizana and as ize ex enye. I've once discovered something like that efonini yomuntu engangathandana naye whereby ex ithwe ngumfazi wami noma ungenzani naso lesilima lesi sasimali siyapla. Why? Because uthandane nawe angawenzanga umncwabo. Uright umuntu bhuti ongena naye ku relationship wayenza ifuneral yama ex wabangcwaba completely. Kunezinto but have kubhlungu mfowethu ukuthi manisothandweni nomuntu kunokuthi ngabe nifesana nezinto ezireal zothando. Sisalwela indaba yama ex. Siyofika nini kwakhe nomuzi? Siyofika nini ukuthi mfethu ingane zesikhulisa kanjani? Sibanga indaba yomuntu okathandana naye ongasekho. There are some real issues but that we need to discuss mastana. Not imuva lakho. Angikhulumile.
Now I'm speechless.
Ngiyaqala ukubona speechless. I'm being funny.
No man.
Ngono siyeke bhuti.
Because do you know what's crazy about the generation esiphila kiyo? Ikhona lento dangerous. La khona sibizana khona ngabontwana. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uku relationship ubize ex yakhe ngentwana. Ntwana wena yazi
ziyaphana lezi. Awuphuthi ngihloniphisile yini manje? Ntwana
okusho ukuthi bafethu umuntu makaphuma empilweni yakhe akaphuma hamba. Okusho ukuthi ke you have valid reasons to end a relationship because you found umuntu wakho in communication ne ex yakhe, even worse uma nganamntwana. Is that a valid reason manga ukuthi ke ungahlukana nomuntu uthi yazini mfethu wena the reason ngihlukana nawe it's because usakhuluma nama ex wakho. We live in a generation where abantu but no the fact that sihlukene doesn't mean that we are enemies. That's what people say.
Hayibo.
That's what people say. What do you say mama? Kubantu bathi no it doesn't mean sihlukene mos, it doesn't mean ukuthi siyazona. Besides nje uthi nje azange saphathana kabi and stuff.
Okay, was that? Okay, uthi no masihlukene naye.
Yeah, the fact that we separated doesn't mean that we have to be enemies. That's the statement that women say. And beside asilwanga kangako, that's what they say. angisho ile nto nishoyo vumani phela lapho ku comment section
ukhulumani nomuntu esenihlukene naye yini lento ayidingayo angeke azayithole kwena mina but ungizwe kahle yabona I do understand omalume
sure
mabathi ingane oyithole emshadweni oyithole ngaphandle komshado
sure
isale seba eyabo malume uyazi why basho so
sure.
It's mangabe soshadile it's because ba protect umshado wakho ukuthi lo owakumithisa angekushadanga
sure
lengane manje uma zoba neaccess ngayo ithini uzokhuluma nathi because we are protecting you
sure
ukuthi umshado wakho ungamosheki
sure
but ezinye zezinto ziba umthetho mabathi prevention is better than cure
sure.
What do they mean ngicela ungichazele but not prevention
abami asivali ngakamosheki
asivali asibeka umthetho uzoprotecta ukuthi into yakhe ingamosheki
yeah
okusho kunezinto ekungagosanga niyibange nomyeni wakho
sure.
Okusho ukuthi nomyeni wakho ngamane nicabanele ezinye zezinto
sure.
But ningacabaneli uex yakho enengane la ekhaya
sensitive yeah
futhi that's why uJesu athi kwakungenje kwasecaleni yini into oyikhulumayo nomuntu osohlukene naye yini lento yini yebhuti ngisayiphinda lento lo muntu okwazi ungcuno
yeah
ayikho iphathi yakhe angayazi
sure ukwazi ukuthi mawukhala
kanjani
ukwazi ukuthi when you're in pain how do you look okay how do you look can I ask you a question I'm just gonna put you straight under the bus
ngifake
faka phansi kwetrack kwe-code 14 is it right but ukuthi umuntu aqele imali ku-ex yakhe 1 number 2 is it right ukuthi unikeze imali ku-ex yakho
okay
I'm putting it in both ways a lady relationship nomuntu wakhe they are facing financial no akunangani involved akunangani let's put it straight akunangani involved they are in a relationship relationship they are facing their own financial difficulties akhumbule ukuthi okay usibambane ugrand is it right even if noma it's not for the relationship maybe ufuna ukwenza something personal not involving the relationship afonele i-ex yakhe to say mfethu yazini icakekile la yazini kusasa khose ngiyasipanini anginamali or
ngisakhuluma
I don't know I'm not let me just say kusakhulunywa or akusakhulunywa yabona but kuthiwa ke exe mfethu akunakudla awungizame nge2 clip lapha awungizame nge3 clip
that is why
or amfone akhulumi let's say abakhulumi at all is it right ukuthi umuntu atext abakhulumi at all let's say abakhulumi at all
there's no access of communication
i challenge ukuthi ke you face some difficulties then you're like hey yazi ngisasa ngiyadinga ku interview and I don't have money then let me contact uSipho lo ngangithandana naye
yeah
ngicele imali
okay.
Or umjida uthole i-text evela ku-ex yakho eshe mfethu yazini shayekile
sure
akuna 1 2 3 4 5 you are in a relationship or ushadile kodwa i-ex icela wena imali
okay I'll answer it simple but I won't dive deep ngiyajuluka kungimanje lesikhuluma ngazo answer it as it is mina but I'll be honest with you
yes sir
imali fanele iphume ngeyidingo zengane masinganangane there's no need for ukuthi umthumelele
repeat that
imali yakho ezubaba or umama because kuyenzeka ubaba akhulisa umntwana bahlukene
sure.
Imali ayiphume
sure
iye iyo supply ingane sure. Eninayo neex not imali ezophuma ngithandana nawe uyise ku-ex nganangani athi yeyinwele awu ngijwayela kabi I'm sorry awu yangiphaphela
ayasimali
hayi ngicela bazalwane hayi ngicela bafeta there's no way puti
yes sir
unikezi ex imali yokwenza izinzipho unonkosikazi
hey
ngingasathandani nama transaction official nayo lento I discovered ukuthi ngibone recently on the news whereby they are saying there's this gentleman bekaloku athumela imali ku ex-girlfriend yakhe yethu ashadile kwenzeka washona makashona kwayiwe court lo wazoclaima imali zalo letsale ndoda then I discovered ukuthi the more lokuthumela umuntu imali kuba evidence ukuthi uyamnakekela, so that's why I caught like okay portion yalo weslisa ayekulo such things they do happen but real talk with amadodanyazi mabonda ivala
siyanicela bafethu, please kindly comment, like, share, subscribe on our YouTube page and TikTok, Facebook. We are there at the Real Talk with Amadodanyakazi Sumuzi. Siyacela ke bafethu, I think we're gonna do an email whereby we're just gonna for Real Talk where you're gonna send my emails or your comments or whatsoever. If in case udibane nempica badala njengoba makamathi njalo nje la kuyaratsela sidibana nempica badala whereby you found yourself whereby you're in a situation whereby you find that your wife, your girlfriend or whoever was in communication with their ex. How did you deal with it? How did you handle? How did it make you to feel? Have you ever been in this particular situation? Let's engage bafethu. We love you so much. Have a blessed night. Ningakhohlwa bafethu in number esitholakala kiyo 064 6200 751. If you want to give related to a Capitec to say Matota, this is what I have, whether 50 rand or 10 rand or 20 rand, and say Matota, keep on doing the good work, let the podcast grow, let it become something, because we are believing in meaningful conversation. We said it's a real talk. If you are over spiritual and uzwangathi inkulumo zethu asindiswanga, you are not a target market. Ikona page yamadodanyakazi spiritual things. You get what I'm saying? But here we're talking about real stuff, because I came across a position whereby wadibana nomuntu ademvethu singabefundisi uyasilapha ngale nkulumo yakhe.
Wena nomama
you get what I'm saying? So kunezinto bafethu singasaba ukukhuluma ngazo. Sithi no sisindisiwe ngesko ebafethu sisindisiwe uJesu siyamthanda. But izinto ezenzakalayo siyazikhuluma. This is the Real Talk, truth uncensored. Love you so much. Have a blessed night. Danko.
Amen.